What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We got a bobcat for the weekend. Well, actually, pretty much just Saturday and a little bit of Sunday, but we're going to get some stuff accomplished. It's been a while since we've been able to put a bobcat on the track and maintain it. And of course, being we're boys in a big sandbox, we had to make the jumps bigger, better, and better. We fixed some of the corners, we fixed some of the lumps. We took the one table and we made it a two-way table, so now we've got just a massive sand platform to jump over that's probably about almost 70 foot long. This is definitely a third, fourth gear track nowadays. We took out the little TRX 90 and we figured that we would do a little ride around lap for you guys. Make sure you stay tuned because we've already got some comments on the short videos that are absolutely ridiculous. Either people are not listening, they're not hearing, or they're not seeing, but yeah, the comments are already just wow. So we're going to address some of those later on in the video to kind of see what it looks like before the guys hit the track with their quads. Yup, we're doing this so that we can get more practicing, more testing and tuning done, get the track back in rideable shape so that the jumps were actually jumpable and everything wasn't just rolling. We got jumps back to jumpable. These things are massive booters now. These guys are flying through the air. Make sure you watch this video all the way through because there are some absolute gnarly jumps in this video. I took 59 jump clips, put them all together. We've got videos and shorts. So if you came here from one of the shorts clips, let me know down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, we do builds, test runs, tests and tunes, all kinds of different stuff on this channel that is off-road related, mainly quads and trikes, some dirt bikes, and other weird off-road stuff. This shop builds custom trikes. We do dirt bike conversions into three-wheelers. We do quad conversions into three-wheelers. I'm the only guy that's doing big wheel three-wheeler conversions for the vintage trikes like the first gen R and the Ducati 3. We're also inverting big reds and anything else people need done. Get a hold of me. We get the problem solved. We get the projects built. That's how it works. You guys come to me with an idea. We make your concept a reality. Since 2008, Sawyer Custom and Speed's motto has been make concept a reality, and we're still doing that. We have the live streams on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel. You want to come, you got mechanical problems, moto talk, any of that kind of stuff. I've already fixed a couple of bikes over stream. It is a lot of fun to sit there and talk with you guys, help you figure out your problems, and then get to hear the results at the end and how happy everybody is. Just makes me absolutely smile. Having the guys come over here and giving them a nice motocross track to play on also makes me smile. The guys are happy, they have a field day, they get to stretch the legs of their quads, trikes, and dirt bikes and really push their skills to the limits. These jumps are no joke jumps. Some of these things are massive. We're talking flying through the air. These guys have wings. Yes, there will be three-wheelers on the track. I will be getting out there and doing the same thing. Lots and lots of content to come. That bell notification, if you're already subscribed, helps you know when the content has been released. If you're not watching the channel all the time, the content will go away and you'll stop seeing it. That bell notification saves that. You get to see when we post and you don't miss out on any content. Sometimes we're just doing a motor rip down and we're talking over it. Sometimes we're giving tech tips. Look for this, watch out for that. All kinds of videos on the channel already, over 1,000 videos. Lots of stuff for people to go through, watch, laugh at, ridicule, do what you want. Haters make you greater. It's all in fun. We're ripping down palm trees and stuff in the front yard. These things have been dead for a while. The use of a bobcat makes things really fast. You get them out at the roots. All done. Go back to the backyard and really rip into that track. You guys got a couple of little glimpses of what we did to the track already. We got a ton of clips of these guys flying through the air, testing out their bikes, setting up the ramps. We hit them a couple of times. We fine-tune them with the Bobcat. Hit them a couple of more times. Make sure they're shooting the guys the right directions and doing everything they need to be doing. Now, these videos are also where I get to do a lot of my test and tune. Not only do I do it on the track by standing there watching them jump and seeing how things go, but when we go through and edit the videos out, we can really get zoomed in close up and see exactly what's going on with the suspension and fine tune it in from there. Trying to get these things to handle and grip as much as possible. Tony's 4-time Dade City quad champ. Shane is just an extremely skilled, talented rider. He goes out and races every once in a while. Man is fast. These guys are not afraid to hit the jumps. They're not afraid to have a case of send it and ride this track like it was designed to be ridden. This is a practice track, 3rd, 4th gear. These guys are hauling butt. This is not for amateurs. This is not a little beginner track. This is definitely something that you need experience to ride. We do have paths for inexperienced riders to go around a lot of this stuff. Part of the track's actually cut off. You just don't go to that side because if you're not experienced enough to do this fence line, you're gonna get hurt. It's pretty simple. Absolutely love what we do around here. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. The majority of people who watch these videos are not subscribed. Simple, really helps the channel out. And watching these videos as long as you possibly can, because watch time is key. Really appreciate it. Get these videos out to as many people as we can possibly get them out to. That way everybody knows what's going on. Not many people doing what we do in this shop. Actually, not even a handful of people doing what we do in this shop. So, very specialized, very cool, lots of fun. Alright, how about some specs? Blue and white YFZ450 from 2019. Is ported 12.8 to 1 top end, stock suspension, DWT frickin' digging tires. And we got the 2025 Special Edition Snot Rocket YFZ450. Stock suspension, exhaust, and oil box rebreather. Oh, he's got a programmer on there also. Suspension's completely stock. Just got the bead locks on it, and he's running it. These things are absolutely insane quads. Yes, they still have high maintenance. And yes, they're still expensive to fix, but they're a lot of fun to ride. Really kind of stinks that there's no other manufacturers in the game anymore, because Tony hops on his KTMs and pretty much out of the box, those KTMs are absolute gnarly monster machines, and they will smoke a YFC unless the YFC's got a whole bunch of money put into it. So while Yamaha is pretty much the only show in the game, they really need to step up the game some and get some more power behind these things, because they're still lacking compared to a lot of other quads out there.